optimal learning experience takes a long but exciting journey. Read a material, join a live class activity, take notes from experts, examine competencies, and discuss the practices with our peers. Unfortunately, managing this sequence of activities in digital space might be bulky. But now, any form of learning is possible with Nural Learning Management System. We're built to make comprehensive digital learning experience all at once. Our content offering provides extensive flexibility to store various types of content, create at ease, and combine interactive module, video, webinar, and live event. Whatever it may take to facilitate your user learning process. Deliver the right content to the right audience with advanced user grouping in order to set the personalized curriculum to unleash the potential of every user. Nural LMS is born to be customizable and accessible wherever the learning is taken, whether it's for business, organizations, government, communities, or individual creators with diverse topics. Build value through education with Nural.